Am I recording? Am I recording? 1, 2, 3, let's jam. Fabulous. Hi, everybody, for real this time. It's Floof here, and as you can see from, what's going on, probably in the camera view right now, we're going to talk about something that should come as like an elephant in the room, and that's because you've already watched it. This is, of course, we're talking about the Blacksmith strings. I'm kind of killing two birds with one stone here, doing both the AOTs and their just regular nickel wound bass strings, and there's a very good reason for that. They're fine. That's it. Like, I really don't have much to say. Honestly, the bulk of this video was going to be the playing, and the reason why it took so long was because of everything that already happened, but also because, like, I didn't have any elaborate thoughts playing these. Like, when I do these string reviews, I want them to be, like, I want to look for things that add something new that I wouldn't get just getting, like, Deodario XLs from Guitar Center where I work. Like, just getting those on a discount, or I could get these. And these are kind of just what I would get if I got Deodario XLs. and really not much more. Like, they have a coated set. The AOTs are a coated set, and those feel good. They don't feel coated, which is nice. That was very pleasant. I used the regular long scale bass strings at a gig, and like they were good. And that was it. Like, I just don't have anything exceptional, good or bad to say about them. Really, the only exceptionally bad thing I have to say about them is good luck finding them, because you can't really find them stateside. They're like actually borderline impossible to find. They're based out in Korea, and let's see here. I'm on the website right now, so let's see if there's like a way to buy them. Just like, is there a way to buy them? I don't think there's a clear way to find them. I know that you could find them on Toman's website from Sono, but they don't really have like a stateside presence. I think if they had a stateside presence, they'd be good. But because they don't, and they don't offer anything new to the table that makes me want to go out and get more of them, I kind of just don't care. So that's really the end of the video here. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Yeah, that really is it for these things. Like, there's just nothing special about them. Like, they're good. Like, don't get me wrong. They're not bad. They're not offensive or anything. Like, these are perfectly fine bass strings. It's just they don't do anything to make me want to go get them and, like, ship them from the UK or from South Korea or wherever the hell they're made. They're just fine. Like, so I guess that's it. You know what to do, all that normal YouTube jargon. My name is Floof, and I'll see you later. Peace.